Hi guys, if you want to check and see your computer infos like CPU, graphics card, RAM and mainboard, you are in the right place. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard or just click on the Windows button or search bar in the taskbar. Type in system information and then open the system information app, which should be the search result here. In the system information window right here, you will see your CPU, RAM and mainboard informations. If you click on the small plus next to components on the left side, you should see and click on display. This will open a new site with your graphics card info, so you exactly know what GPU is inside your computer. Another common way to open the system information window is to press the Windows key and the R button on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box here and type in msinfo32 and press enter. For the most people, this information should be enough, but for those who want to have some deeper infos, you can use a small and free tool called CPU-Z. This tool will give you some more and deeper infos about your computer. To download CPU-Z, you can use the link in the video description. It will bring you to the official site to download and install it. And don't worry, it is safe to use. Once you have installed CPU-Z, open it. Navigate through the different tabs and find information about every hardware component on your computer. Under the memory tab, for example, you will not only see detailed infos about your RAM, but also how many RAM sticks you have installed. That's it. You have successfully checked your computer specs on Windows 11 and you learned how to get more information using CPU-Z. Thank you for watching and see you next time.